Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be planning in my daily Erin Condren A5 planner. So now I've previously decorated the week. Here's Mondays. I get to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I kind of just do this ahead of time just so it's all set up and ready to go. But then on the morning of the day is when I plan out my dailies. Okay, so sometimes I take the pages out, sometimes I leave them in. I think I'm going to take it out today just because it's on, well, maybe we can move stuff a little bit around here. Grab my pen and rearrange some stuff a little bit. Okay, so the stickers that I have in here are my meds and water, which is my morning routine. I give my boys, my cat and my dog, their water, and then I take my meds and my vitamins. And I have that scheduled around 8 a.m. I also have a timer set on my Fitbit that lets me know, just so I remember. Because sometimes I get busy in the day and I'll forget. And on this week, or I should say this day, I actually have a little sticky note that I need to take off of here. I have a coupon for 20% off of Erin Condren, and it expires tomorrow, which is February 1st. So I wanted to make sure that I reminded myself. I was holding out to see if there's another sale. I should have used it when they had their 22% off sale, and I thought, oh, there'll be something better. There hasn't been, so now I have to think, or actually I think I'll wait till tomorrow, just see if the first brings a sale. If not, I have to decide whether I do want anything at all. I don't know if there's really anything I want, or, well, need for sure, but I don't know if there's anything I want from Erin Condren right now, so we'll see. So I wanted to make note of that somewhere on the page. Usually I separate things, like I will take my stickers back here. Somewhere I have some work and home stickers. I don't have ones that completely match right now. Oh, yes, I do. Do I? Yeah, the font's a little bit different, so, but I think I can use this one. I don't have any that say home though, do I? So we'll just I'm going to put work down here because that's what I usually do. I'll put my work tasks down here, and then I'll put my daily tasks up here. And I also, which now I can't do this because, oh, you know what? I usually ask my phone, and I say, Siri, what's the weather for today? But I'm using my phone to film, so instead I'll say, hey, Google, what's the forecast for today?
Today in Mount Pleasant, it'll be partly cloudy with a forecasted high of 32 and a low of 23. Currently, it's 23 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Actually, today's going to be pretty warm here. Wow. So high of 32, low of 23, and partly cloudy. So then I go back here and find my stickers. And I have printed, I purchased these. I'm going to be making my own, but for now I'm using these ones I purchased until I have time to do that. So let's put that on here. Oops, wrong day. So I put that up here with the high and the low for the day. This is trying to rearrange this here to make this a little nicer. Okay, so then we have our work, we have our to-do, and then for dinner, I usually write down that. I think we are having pork sandwiches today, so let's write that. All right, and anything else I usually write in here? I usually add also to my morning routine. I'll put up, plan, and then at 7:30 is when I get ready. And then that's when I change their water and I take my meds. So I've done all this already. Right now it's, what time is it? 9:04. So I've done all this already. Kind of a late planning start this morning. And if it's not Monday, at 9:45 I go for a walk. But since it's Monday, I work. So I'm going to put work, let's see, what time will I probably start working? I'm going to say work right here. Here I'm just going to put like house tidy because I put dishes away and things like that. And then since it's Monday and I work and I have orders, that could go, I'm going to put, we'll put till 2. And then I go to the post office. And then I'll be home for sure by 3. So what is I going to do today? I think I was going to do some designing today. So I'm going to put designing on here. Which is also work, but it's also fun. So I'll do that until dinner time. And then I will do dishes. And evening routine, which is usually just, you know, TV, shower, that kind of thing. So I'm just going to put PM routine right here. All right, so that's like the schedule, what my plan for the day. It doesn't mean things are going to happen exactly at this hour, but it's my plan of what I'm hoping will happen around these times. And if there's other things I'm doing, like I do need to get laundry done, so I was going to put that over here. But if I don't get to it today, I can do it tomorrow. So if I do get to it today, I'll fit that in here. Anything else? Then like usually around 3, 4 o'clock, I also do dinner prep. So that's going to be in here. So I'm also, should I write that up? Yeah, I have to cut up potatoes for dinner too. So I'm also going to put cut up potatoes in here. I'm just putting pots. I know that that's potatoes. I'm going to put in prep because I'm going to bread them and air fry them, I think. And make a salad. So we'll just put that there. One more drink. My throat is just so dry today. All right. I think that may be all that I know of today that I have to get done around the house. But I know here that I got to get my orders done. And one is going to take a little longer, so I'm just going to note that here. Because then I have to use a different piece of machinery. And of course the post office I already have on here. Oh, I'm filming this, geez. And, okay, so I need to film daily. And edit. And upload. And I think that this is for Tuesday, so I think I really need to get, and I better put YouTube on here too because I need to finish all that. So is that it? feel like I'm forgetting a lot of things. I'm going to write bills over here because I probably have. I haven't checked back. Normally, see in here, I also have my catch-all planner. So I probably should go look. It's still January here. So is that one in? I think that one is actually in February. Let's see. Yep, here's the week. It does say bills. So I do have bills that are due today. So I have to get that done too. I guess that's really it for that. And I also want to figure out a planner for Etsy. I'm going to put that. It is work because it's my Etsy, but it's also fun. I think I am still going to put it down here. Figure out PPC planner. I think I'm probably going to be using a big discbound planner, making one actually. I just figure all the printer papers and things and invoices and things like that are 8.5 by 11, so then I wouldn't have to cut them down. I was thinking about using an Erin Condren planner, but then I can't add those things to it, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be a discbound planner. So we do need to work on that today. So I look there, I have the bills that I have to do, and what else do I look at in here? I'm pretty sure that's it. So then I just leave this sit out for today, and I put, oh, look at it, I forgot that coupon. So that's a reminder too. So we'll kind of just put that down here and put EC coupon expires tomorrow. Okay, so then I put that back in here. And I leave this sit out on my desk. So we are off to a good start. I do have lots of orders today, so I have to go get that done. That I think is pretty much the end of my video. So then tomorrow morning on Tuesday, I will go and fill out Tuesday. And I do have some stickers noting that I have, garbage kind of things. But I usually, like I said, do not write in these the day before or a week before or anything, because I do have my catch-all planner up here. And this is for my month. And it looks busy, but I also have some other things written in here that aren't relating to me. They're just reminders. So I think we're pretty good here. Me, I'm green, so there's really no green things going on for this week. So we are good. All right, so I think that we will say goodbye now. Where's my, oh yeah, I did put this little tab in here so I can find it down on the bottom. All right, we're good to go for Monday morning, and I better get my head cleared and my voice cleared because I got to get these orders done and out. So until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.